everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's cooking video, we will learn how to make Tamil Nadu style rasam using pepper and cumin seeds. This recipe is simple and easy to prepare, but there is one essential thing to achieve the perfect taste. So don't skip the video and watch it until the end. Rasam requires a liquid consistency, so water ratio is crucial. And other ingredients will weigh accordingly. For 3 people, I am using 1.5 liter of water in this bowl. We can keep it and use it for 2 days. For 1.5 liter of water, I am using 1 medium sized tomato. It is important to use soft tomatoes for the best taste. Additionally, we will need a lemon size of tamarind, which should be squeezed into the water along with tomato and soak it for a few minutes. This rasam can be enjoyed as a soup and particularly good for cold and cough. It goes well with rice and variation curries such as potatoes, vegetables and non-veg chicken, mutton. Alternatively, after your meals, a small quantity of rasam aids digestion. And salt as needed. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's move on to the other required ingredients. 2 tablespoons of peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder means ingo. It is optional. Half teaspoon of mustard seed, 4 dried red chilies, a few coriander leaves, 1 stick of curry leaf, 6 to 7 small size of garlic cloves. For rasam, we need to smash the garlic but no need to peel it. Let's begin prepare the rasam. Crush the peppercorns and cumin seeds as shown in the video. Take the soaked tomato and tamarind water. Strain the juice from the ingredients and discard the waste. Check the taste. If you need it, add salt at this stage. Add half of the crushed peppercorn and cumin seed to the rasam water. Add the chopped coriander leaf. Keep it aside. Turn on the stove and keep the flame low. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seed. Add the remaining crushed peppercorn and cumin seed. Add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Add the garlic and break the dried red chilies, then add them. Add the curry leaf and give everything a good mix. Pour the tomato and tamarind juice into the pan. Now it is essential to note that for the perfect rasam taste, follow these 2 steps. As the rasam starts to cook, you will see a firm texture around it. Keep it like this for 2 or 3 minutes. Once it comes to the boiling stage, turn off the stove immediately. I hope you enjoyed this video and try make it at home. Let me know your thought in the comments below. I will see you soon in our next video. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Thank you.